अच्छा, कहाँ पर?
Matharan.
हाँ?
Matharan. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but the second one was error, so I referred. You gave a note.
Yeah, I gave a note because it was incomplete. No, only 2 options were there. So that is why I just edited that question. Okay, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Whenever I give you this assignment, you have to post the assignment in there only. Okay, most of you did that only. Second thing, where is Muhammad Mohammadi? Just unmute yourself, Muhammad Mohammadi. Unmute yourself, Muhammad Mohammadi. Can you unmute?
Did you get my assignment?
Yeah. So listen, okay, Muhammad Mohammadi, I got your answer sheet. It was very well done. You just edited. See, I gave you multiple choice questions. So only Muhammad sent me the answer with the tick mark in the options only. Rest of you wrote the answer, right? Only Muhammad tick mark the answer. I'll show you the Muhammad's worksheet, how he has done. So you also have to do like that only. There is a editing option is there in the worksheet only, so you can edit and put a color mark, or you can tick mark or underline to show that this is the answer. See what happens when I'm checking now, I have the question also and answer also. When you just give me only the answers, then it gets difficult for me to check. Understood everyone? So I'm just showing you how Muhammad sent me, and I'll share.
And can you show how to go in
Yeah.
that editing option and then how to color and that?
Okay, I'll ask Muhammad only. Muhammad, how did you do this editing part? Can you explain your friends?
First, I went to the assignment you gave,
Yes.
and then I opened it, and then there was something like this is open in open this in new window,
Yes.
and then I found and then I found.
Muhammad, can you share your screen?
I'll just show the answer sheet.
Muhammad, can you show your screen or share?
Yeah, I'm showing the screen. I'm showing the answer sheet that Muhammad did.
I first opened it in a new tab. I opened it in a new tab, and then I pressed the print button, and then there will come open in Acrobat. Okay, then I need to click on that, and then it will open.
He
and
did it on PDF and he sent me the PDF file. Okay, so you can see this how he did this. This he has done green mark. Can you see in the answer? Can you see everyone?
Yes.
So see, second question was wrong. So it was done in the note. This like this he has written. Then he has marked like this. So is it? You will also try. See, next time when I give you multiple choice question, then only you have to do like this. Otherwise, you do it in your notebook and you
didn't understood.
What you have not understood? How to do this?
Ma'am, is there 100 crore?
Yeah, I will be coming to the discussion part later on. I'm just telling you how to do this assignment. Okay. So now we'll do the answers also, how to do the answers. Some of the questions he did wrong. I told him which questions were wrong. Okay. So this is Muhammad's answer sheet. What I was telling you can do like this. You can just see edit version is there, and you can just mark that part. Okay. Okay. So next time when I give you, you can try like that. Yes. Okay. So let us start with our class today.
Rushda also did something similar. So ma'am, just one request. Can you open up the assignment so the kids can know which assignment, and so this is the right assignment. Also, I'll be able to show a screen.
Yeah, actually assignment I would be discussing it here also because I have it
this
in
is
the
right, ma'am. This is right assignment, right?
Yeah,
it's in the.
This is right.
Okay. So you want me to open up a student's view and then you can show that?
Yeah, actually from student point of view, you can only see, sir, if they can edit that file or not. You can go to Juveria's
that is
assignment.
Number system, right? Is it number system?
Yeah, number system. Only one assignment. I think one assignment is there. The multiple which I have assigned.
Okay, let me just try and go to one of the show them. So here I am. ma'am, just have a look at this if it's easy for you.
Sir, you
So,
need
so
to
I
share.
can you see now?
Yes.
Yeah, is this the assignment? Which is it number system? Not
Number system 1, yes. Answer key also I have sent them, but first
okay.
of all, just assign.
Right. So number system 1. Okay. So
Yeah.
is this the one you want me to open up so they can see it?
Yes,
All right.
this
So
one.
this is the one they're opening up. All right. So you can see this right now. Number system
Yeah, I
1.
can see like this, and I see the answers in that only.
Okay. So what you so see you will see this is
No.
okay. I have to go to Jueria then. Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, I want to see the students' sheet.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Maybe I should just go. It's okay. Even if we'll just. Can I? Oh, sorry. I got it wrong. Okay, you want to? I'll just. Hold on. Let me see if it's working. So just it'll take a minute, but at least we'll get a very good view of it, isn't it, ma'am?
Yeah, that's what I want to see, whether they can edit it or not. That I want to see.
Okay, so I think sure. So this is maths. This is where Jueria is coming in. Can you all see now, everybody? Can you see maths as you as a student will see now? Okay, where should I go, ma'am?
It is not. This is answer key.
Yeah, it is in stream. I think we should go to classwork. Is
Classroom,
this
yeah.
number 1? Number system 1?
Yeah, but yeah, you can open that. Let us see.
Can I see? This is the one. Okay. So this is number system 1.
Yeah. No, this is answer key. The previous one. Just so the back page.
Okay, I'll just go 1 minute. Okay, I'll go to back page. All right. Number
So
system.
this top one. Yes.
Okay.
This one.
So then here is the number system.
Sir, do view assignment.
View assignment. That is only view
Yeah,
assignment.
okay, view assignment. All right. Thank you. I think that's Aisha. Aisha, I can see view assignment now. So what I can see is Anas. Most of them have written it here, ma'am. So if you
Yeah,
see
no,
this,
sir. There is a attachment also. Attachment is not visible on this page.
yeah, that is why. See, so there is an attachment here. If you see,
Yeah, this is the attachment. Yes.
Okay, so if you open this, all of it now, can you see the assignment? So now what happens, ma'am, is
I think here
yeah.
you have edit option. Open with Google Docs, then you can edit. I think.
Okay. So see, you that is where what we'll have to do, ma'am. We will have to do a little different in for them. You can open in Google Docs now. So this is an option you will get. It's usually easier on the laptop, difficult on the mobile phone. But when you open Google Docs, now you can see.
Now they can edit. Now they can
Yeah.
color and.
So can
and
I?
then they have to add on this page.
Perfect.
Send it.
So can I go back and can I show them again one more
Yeah,
time,
go
ma'am?
ahead.
Yeah, everybody.
Yes.
So here, listen to all of you can see. Just I want a little yes, and then as a student now. So I think this could be Muhammad Muhammadi. This is Hamdan Fazlani. This could be
Yes.
yeah. So now you go here. You can see Shruti ma'am's name. You can see maths assignment, and I click on the maths assignment. Okay. Now once I click on the maths assignment, what do? You don't have to see anything here. You go to classwork. Just don't worry about anything. Stream is more like a WhatsApp message. Only if ma'am wants to write something. As a student, do not write anything on the stream. Okay? In the stream, do not write anything. If you didn't understand anything, you can write as a question to ma'am. She can help you for the class. But always go to classwork. In the classwork, immediately you will see this. You will see something called a number 1. Okay, so question is there. The ma'am has changed some kind of a question. Don't worry. You click, everybody's name will be there. This is easy part of it. You will find your name there, not Jueria's name. So once you click on the attachment, in maths, every subject is different. In maths, what will happen is you will have to now you see this is a PDF. Can you see this, everybody? So
Yes.
all you do is open with Google Doc. Can you click on that? Okay, just a minute.
You will play the role of an adult and you have to play
But
the role of
one by one, everyone will get to read that.
Connection lost. No, now you know what you have to do. You just have to go to that folder, press it. Okay, so I started sharing. Yeah. So you're back. You understood what you have to do?
Yes.
Yes.
You have to go to Google Doc and then whatever tick mark you want to do, you can do it here, and then you have to attach this file.
Ma'am, I write my assignments from Google Doc only.
You wrote it?
Yeah.
Just tell me your name because I can't see who is speaking.
Aisha.
How we have to do in tab?
In tab, actually, I have no idea. It's the same way you can do in tab also. Google Doc.
But
is there.
how to select the option?
See, suppose you want to select it. See, sir is selecting.
Edit.
Yeah, you have to see here. Color is there. Mark is there. You can mark this as here. You can see the color mark painting here. At the top in the toolbar, you can see the color portion. So you can color it and mark it. I think, sir, can you hear sir's sound? You see color options are shown over here. Can you see that?
Yes.
So you can mark it. Yes. Is it visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible.
Now everyone, it's clear how to mark this?
Yes.
Yes.
In tab, how to do? It doesn't come like this in tab.
You have a laptop?
No, I'm using a tab.
Ma'am, I'm using the laptop.
See, in laptop, it will be easier. In tab, if you press that assignment, are you able to see that assignment in tab?
Yes.
Then you follow the same process now. Okay, next time we'll see how we are going to do. Now, next time I may not give you MCQs. I'll give you to do the questions, or I may give you MCQs also. So you know now how to do these questions. Okay, how to go to Google Doc and then edit and then send it back to me.
Ma'am, I've already submitted.
Yeah, I have seen your assignment. I have seen all your assignment. Only the last assignment, I think I could not check it, but okay.
Ma'am, I didn't do it, I think so. Last assignment. Ma'am, you saw my assignment.
You were sending me the first assignment only, but you need to complete this assignment and send it back to me. Okay? So now I'll start sharing, but can you see? You can't see my screen, right?
No.
Okay, I'll just.
मेरे को नहीं वो टैब में नहीं आया तो. And we can see that.
Now you can see?
Yes.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So this is a puzzle. We are going to start with a puzzle. You know which chapter we are doing. All of you just mute yourself. Now I'll be calling your names and you need to answer. Okay. So first let me explain what is this. You know what is code language? We talk when in Secret Service also we talk in a code language. You know that?
It was taught in a previous school.
Yeah. So we are going to do a code language now. Code language in terms of maths. So what is this code that we are going to? What not telling to you? What is it, Ibrahim? You want to tell something? You're writing in chat, not telling to you. What do you want to tell?
Ma'am, I didn't write anything.
You didn't write? Okay, but it's your name is coming over here. Okay, let us start with puzzle time. It is code breaker. Now, can you see the alphabets written over here, A, B, C, D? And each alphabet has a number written under it. That means A is coded as 1, B is coded as 2, C is coded as 3. Okay, so if I want to write hello in terms of number, how will I write? The spelling of hello is H-E-L-L-O. So what is the code for H? Can you see over here?
8,
8, ma'am.
5,
8.
What is the
8,
code
5,
for
5,
5, 12, 15.
Okay.
15, 15.
Now,
12, 12, 15.
okay. So now I'm giving you one question, but all of you mute yourself. I'm going to ask one person a question and he or she will answer that question. Okay. So first of all, everyone, just mute yourself. Yes, muted? Okay, fine. So this is the code given at the bottom. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Just write down what code is written over here. In terms of English alphabet, you have to write what is 9. You have to write under 9. Then a space, then 1 and 13. What is this word? And then what is this word and this word and this word? So just I'm giving you 1 minute time.
And we have to write in notebook.
In your notebook,
code on the top.
no need to write the number on the top. Just write the answer in your notebook. I'll ask you what is the first word, what is the second word, like that I'm going to ask. So everyone,
But the decoder we have to copy.
you don't need to copy. Just it is there on the board now. What is 9? Just write down what is 9. Then what is 1? Next alphabet 1. You write in your notebook and then I'll ask you question.
Of the
So your-
alphabet.
yeah, only alphabets you have to write. No need to write the number.
Do
Just write.
I didn't understand.
See, what is hello in this? Hello, how do you write hello in number? What is H? It is 8. So instead of H, I will write 8. What is E? E in this place is 5. So after H, you will write 5. Understood how you have to do? Now here, 9 is written. So what is the value of 9 over here? Can you see? I. No, it is I. So for 9, you will write I. Okay? Okay, write down the answer.
Ma'am, we have to write down this code.
Yes, you have to write down. Now I'll answer first.
Ma'am, I got the first one.
First one I gave you, I.
Ma'am, I am brilliant at maths.
You are brilliant. I am going to ask one person. He or she will answer. Okay? Hamza. What is the second word? 1 and 13. What is it?
1 and 30. I am brilliant at maths. 1 and 30.
I am asking Hamza only 1 and 13. What is 1 and 13, Hamza?
AM.
Correct. AM. Okay. Now next word is 2, 18, 9, 12. Who has written this word?
Brilliant.
Okay. Hamdan, tell me what is the next word? 2, 18, 12, 12, 9, 1, 14, 20, 1, 20. It's a long word.
Brilliant.
Okay. I am brilliant. Okay. Umar, what is 1 and 20 together? You can see over here, 1 and 20. So this is brilliant only.
At maths.
1 and 20? Yes, Umar?
At maths.
At. Umar?
At.
Very good. At. What is 13, 1, 20, 8 and 19 together?
Maths. Maths. Maths.
Aisha Kazi, you tell me the answer. Aisha? At Aisha, I want to see who is Aisha Kazi.
I can't hear you.
For Aisha, okay. What is the answer, Aisha? 13, 1, 28 and 19 together. What is the code for that? Very good, math. So what is the statement?
Maths.
Brilliant.
I am brilliant in maths.
Yes. You are
At maths.
you are brilliant at means I am brilliant at maths. This is your this is the statement of the code word. Understood this? How to find this code?
Yes.
I got, yeah, answer in chat also. Yes. Yeah, correct. Abdullah. Yeah. Now just mute yourself because then so much of noise is there in the background. I won't be able to teach. Now let us proceed. We'll have, this was your assignment. I have sent you the answer key also. So check the answer key, and from next class onwards, we'll have it. All of you need to submit the assignment. Many of you have not sent me the assignment back. Okay. I have not written the name.
Ma'am, you got my assignment?
Yes, mostly I have got your assignments. Everyone.
Did you get my assignment?
Ma'am, I my only one question is correct. Is wrong.
Yes, most of you have done correctly. Most of the
Ma'am,
questions.
I did whole correct maybe.
See, the answers are, when you are writing the place value, many of you wrote 10 lakh and 100,000. When you are writing place value, you have to multiply this number. So it is 70 lakh and 7 million. Okay, the place value cannot be 1.
Ma'am, I just have it here.
See, you cannot speak together because I won't be able to hear you. You have to raise your hand and then speak. Mute yourself, everyone. Okay. So one by one, you need to ask questions. What is the place value of 5 in this number? So 5, both the 5's place value you have to find. So it is 50,000 and 5 crore. Okay. So in this question, what was the answer? You have to add 300 to both the numbers. So this was the answer.
Got that one correct.
Yes, most of you got correct answer only. I think this was the mistake. Mostly you did in this question number 8. What is the answer? 100 crore makes 1 million.
Ma'am, but we didn't learn billion.
I told you after million, billion. After 100 billion, you get after 100 million, you get 1 billion. Okay. So first is million, 3 places for million, and then 3 places for billion. 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So that goes on. Don't make that noise. Okay. So this was your, this was the comparison. Pay attention to this. All of you mute yourself, please. I'm not able to hear who is reading this.
It's Abdullah Patel.
Abdullah Patel, please don't do it.
Shruti ma'am, just unmute yourself.
Yeah, fine.
I've just muted everybody. I think they're sharpening something. They're not doing it out of.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I heard somebody is banging the desk.
Yeah, he was, but I think he's sharpening or something like that. So don't worry.
Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so this is the comparison that you have to remember, everyone. Hamza, I just unmute yourself and just read the international numeration. If you know, if you remember it, you can just go from unit place starting from ones. Yes, Hamza? International numeration. Can I see Hamza?
Zainab, go to that side.
Yes, Hamza? Just raise your hand so that I can see you. Unmute yourself, Hamza. Okay, then I will tell you. Ones, units, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then you have 100,000, then you have million, then you have 10 million, then you have 100 million, and after that you have 1 billion. So even if you get a larger number, you should know that it proceeds in the same way. Million, 10 million, 100 million, yes.
Ma'am, we are learning billion.
Till million you have learned. If suppose you get a larger number, you can write billion also. After 100 million, you will get 1 billion. Okay. So this we did in the last class. Now, I want you to do this question. Everyone, question number 1 we have already done in the last class. The second question is 112400. Just write down in the chat only. I'll see it in the chat. 112400. I want answer from everyone. It is international place value chart. So write down in the chat the value of 112. The commas are given. You have to count from the unit place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000.
Ma'am, can we tell you the answer?
The second question you have to do 112400. Just write down in the chat. Aisha, I want your answer. You can see it.
Ma'am, can
Write
I
down the
tell you?
answer. Just write down in the chat. Yes.
Can I tell you?
First, tell me your name.
Aisha.
Yes, Aisha. Tell me.
100,000. 100,000.
Yes, Mohammed. Correct answer.
100.
Correct. 100 and what is it? 12.
112,000.
Correct.
And
And what is it?
400.
Correct. So that is the answer. 112,400. Yes, Ibrahim, you are correct. Yes, Hamdan, correct. 112,400. Muhammad, Muhammadi, correct. Rest of you, I'm not getting any answer. Yahya, 112,400. Yes. Humaira, what is the answer, Humaira? You can speak now. Humaira, I can't see you. Your camera is off. Yes, Humaira, what is the answer? 112. Rest of you do the next question. Rest of you just write the next question. This one. Yes, Humaira. What is it? What is the answer? What is this place? Tell me. What is this place? Yes, Aisha, correct. Aisha Kazi, correct answer. Yeah, Humaira, tell me, what is this place? Ones, correct. Second, tens. This is 100, correct. This one, correct. This is 10,000. This is 100,000. So what is the answer? 112,400. Okay, yeah, I got answer. Abdullah, Aisha Kazi, correct answers. I want you to do the third question. Now in this question you have million place also. So let me see who is going to write the answer first. Who is going to be the first one to write the answer? Okay, great. Muhammad, Muhammadi. Correct. Muhammad Saqib, okay, correct. Correct, Hamdan. Abdullah, correct. When you're writing it here, it is okay. But when you are writing in your notebook, you need to write the number in words.
Do they look like a squirrel?
Yes.
Okay, we'll move ahead. So there is comes in Thomas. Who is doing that? Okay.
Ma'am, they took one leg. We put one leg, so they took both the legs.
Okay, so can you read? I will play mummy's role, okay? Time to get ready for bed, said mom.
Get
Teacher, read.
bed.
Your comment.
Bed.
Teacher, quickly read. Teacher, we are waiting for you. Teacher,
I can't get ready for bed.
said stomach.
Oh,
Stomach. There are
Ma'am, I have a llama 90. I can't.
llamas in pajamas.
I have a llama pajama.
Llamas are in the pajama. Khadija, but I want you to act. When you're moody, you don't want to go anywhere. How do you act? Khadija, how do you act?
What?
You have to act, Khadija. When you are speaking sentence, you have to act.
I can't get ready for bed.
Musfira, where have you gone, Musfira?
नीचे मैम उसके थोड़े नीचे मैम
Okay, okay. I'll receive all the answers. Okay, fine. Yes, I got it now. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us proceed into the next topic, which is comparison of large numbers. Now, how do we compare things? If I say, all of you can see me, right? If I say this is a pen and this is a cap. So if I ask you which one is longer and which one is shorter, by seeing you can find out. You can find out which one is longer, which one is shorter, which one is longer.
The pen.
The pen is longer because you can see that this is shorter and this is longer. Now, how to find out when two numbers are given and two larger numbers are given? See, we are doing large numbers, means big value numbers we are doing in this topic, right? So when two big numbers are given, how will you find out which number is greater and which number is smaller? Okay, so the rules that you have to remember about finding the greater number or smaller number, there are two rules you have to, there are two rules that you have to remember. First one, the first step, pay attention. First step is you need to count the number of digits. You know what are the digits. Suppose these two numbers are given. Now you need to count the number of digits. So count the number of digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Yes, Ibrahim, what do you want to say? Why you want? Okay, 6. Correct. Aisha Kazi, correct. So, this is 6 digit. How many digits are here? Again, 6 digits. Okay. So, if number of digits are, suppose one number has greater number of digits and another number has less number of digits, then the number which has more number of digits is the greater number than the other number. Suppose I give you 23 and the second number is 230. Which one is greater?
230.
230 is greater because 230 has got 3 digits and 23 has got only 2 digits. Okay. So the number which has larger number of digits is the greater number. Suppose if you have same number of digits in both the number, you can see over here both the numbers have got same number of digits. Both the numbers have 6 digits. Okay, you can see that. Then how to find which one is greater? Now what we'll do, we'll start from left and we'll compare the digits. So let us see what is at the extreme left. 2. In this number also it is 2. So they are same. So we'll just move to the next digit. Next digit you can see. What is the next number? Next digit is 3. What is the next digit over here? 5. So which one is greater? 5 or 3? Which one is greater? 5 or 3? Yes, 5. Yes, Mohammed. 5. So 5 is greater. So that means this number is greater. So which number is greater now? 253214 is greater than 238461. Understood? So which number is greater among the two? 253214. Why? First step. Now, who will revise? Who will tell me the 2 rules? Juveria, can you tell me what are the 2 rules to find out the greater number? First rule. What is the first rule? What first step you are going to do? You unmute yourself. Yes, Juveria, can you unmute yourself? No, I can't hear you. What is the first step? Because I'm not able to unmute you, so you need to unmute yourself. No? You can write it in the chat box. Can you write it? What is the first step? What? Yeah, write down in the chat box, Juveria. What you will do to find out first step. Only first step I'm asking. It is there on the board also. So what is the first step that you are going to do? All of you can write in the chat. I'll check the chat only. So what is the first step when 2 numbers are given? What is the first step that you will do? You will count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. Yes, Aisha, Kazi, you are correct. So what is the first step you are going to do? You will count the number of digits. And if suppose the number of digits are same, then what will you do? If the number of digits are same, then what will you do? It's okay. You can write it in the chat. No problem if you're not able to unmute yourself. You can write it in the chat and I'm seeing all chats. Okay? So you will compare the numbers. You are correct, Aisha Kazi. You will compare the number. But how will you compare?
Mustafa, quickly tell me. Rhyming word.
The kittens in the mittens.
Kittens in the mittens. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Ali, quickly tell me one rhyming word. Quickly. What did you learn? Ali? What did you learn? What rhyming word did you learn, Ali? Musfira Sayyed, can you help Ali? Rhyming word.
Rhyming word.
Yes, rhyming word.
I didn't saw the rhyming word actually.
Oh, you didn't see the rhyming word? Okay. Zainab, can you help us? Zainab, we are stuck. Can you help us? Rhyming word. One rhyming word.
Yes.
I have many rhyming words. Okay.
The kitten is in
Ma'am,
me?
okay, yes. Okay, Umayma, can you help us, Umayma?
Yes.
Please? Yes. More
Cat
rhyming.
in my bag. Stack in my bag.
Wow. Stag in my bag. Yes. Yes. And what is stag? What is stag, Umayma?
It's a female deer.
It's a male deer. Yes.
Male.
Yes. Good. And socks in the fox. Sorry, fox in the socks. Did you hear that? Fox in the socks. Okay, we'll quickly go to my screen. Wait, quickly I'm sharing my screen. But maybe we can do that later on because my time is up. It's already 11:45 and you have your second class, maths class, okay, at 12 o'clock. Is it all right?
It is not our holiday.
Yes, I know.
It's a flip class.
It's a flip class. Umayma, I know that this is just for this week. Okay, it's only for this week. But this reading class will be every Thursday. Is it all right with you all, guys?
Yes.
Yes? Did you enjoy? Tell me.
Yes.
Are you trying to say something? Please give me a thumbs up. Ali. Okay, Zainab gave me a thumbs up. Ali gave me a thumbs up. Very nice. Umar, Did you enjoy reading with me? Can we do this every Thursday? And we'll play a lot of games also. Yes, yes. Good, good. Umayma enjoyed. Okay, fine. Chalo, bye-bye everyone. And 12 o'clock.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock, okay?
12 o'clock.
Musfira, yes, Musfira.
What o'clock?
12 o'clock. Yes, 12 o'clock. We have maths class, okay? So again, after 15 minutes, you have to log in. Okay, Mustafa, Umayma, Khadija. Bye-bye, Khadija.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, no.
Okay, Umar, I like your Ali Umar. We will join again at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, okay? Until then, you all can go and you can enjoy. Come back after 15 minutes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Leave me.
Just say yes or why. Okay, fine. Okay, so the next question is 8316948 and 8316950. Now, which one is greater? Which one is greater? You have to find the greater number. Compare the numbers means the greater number, right? The number which is greater than the second number. So, which one is greater? Yes, correct. The second number, this one is greater. Yahya, you are correct. Aisha, Aga, yes, I got the answer. Juveria, yes, correct answer. The keyboard is not taking my answer. Hamdan, not taking your answer. Why? You have to just write the answer. Just write first number or second number. That is also fine. Okay. Humaira Qasim, yes. What? Yes, you got the answer. Yes. What is the third question? Third and fourth. I think the time is getting over. So I just want to revise what we did today. The questions which are left, we will do it in the next class, or I can send you through homework also. Okay? I'll send you an assignment on compare the numbers and the international and Indian place value system. Now you know how to do these questions. What are the rules? The rules are when you are comparing the number, you have to count the number of digits. And second one, when the number of digits are same, then what you're going to do, you will compare it from the left hand side, and whichever number is greater, that is the greater number. Fine? Yes, last one also you have done. Hamdan, yes, correct. Okay, fine. So now we have come towards the end of the class. So I'll stop sharing it. Okay. Now all of you can see me, right? Yes, you can say yes. Okay. So what we did today, the two things we did, one is comparison of numbers, second is the international place value chart revision. Okay, Aisha, what do you want? Okay, fine. You can continue with your scribbling work. I'll take your leave. So this is the end of the class. When I send you assignment, please send it back as sir has told you. Okay, homework will be there. I'll send you homework through Google Assignments. Fine. Chalo. Okay. Bye. See you in the next class.
Okay, your class is done now. I think I'm going to leave the breakout room, everybody. Wow. Aisha, your background is amazing. It's lovely background I can see. It says maths out there. Okay, you had a good maths class now. So what's your next class? So you all can unmute and speak to me. Yaya cannot hear me out? Okay, 1 minute. Hold on, I'm unmuting everybody. You all unmuted now. You can speak up. Try unmuting yourself.
Hello, hello.
Hello,
Yeah, hello, hello everybody. Hello, how are you?
hello,
How are you?
hello. Which subject is next?
What do you think?
Science, English.
Is Alfia ma'am already here?
English.
Outside is break.
Yeah, it's a break time, 5 minutes. After that, we'll start. You can get up,
Okay.
go somewhere you want to.
Bye bye.
I'll also close. I'll join in after some time. Okay. I'm closing all the rooms now.